back on the channel, and we finished buttoning up the CX Racing intercooler kit, and we got it on the car now. We're showing you a little quick update on it. So here we go. So we got the car back, we were working on it, and this is the CX Racing intercooler piping, all finished up. We did a couple little other things. The intercooler down there, had to chop up the bumper a little bit. Little sweet sound. Where it idles at and everything. Give you a little better view of the finished product. It was a tight fit. As you can see, it's all up in there. All the piping runs down in there. You can see it down in there. And then it's looking pretty good. And we did a couple other things. New valve cover gasket, new oil pan gasket. You can't really see it down there, but we got the 3G 200 amp alternator on there. And this is the vortech supercharged Fox that we've been working on, and we keep adding to it. But right now it looks pretty good. Haven't drove it, and I just wanted to give you a short video of it running and a better look of what it looks like. So you've seen it plenty of times. I got plenty of other videos of it, and it's looking great. So yeah, that's some updates with the CX Racing intercooler kit. Want to give you a little clip of the finished product, and stay tuned for more stuff to come. So keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and we'll catch you on that next one. Peace.